Hello and welcome to English Testing Hub. English Vocabulary Quiz. Designed for A1 learners. This quiz consists of 25 questions that assess your vocabulary knowledge by selecting the correct answer that matches the best meaning of each bold word or phrase. Are you ready for this? Let's get going. Select the answer that best matches the meaning of each bold word or phrase. What is your opinion of that book? Do you like it? People think differently about me when I use my given name. Some names can describe your personality. An honest person found my money and returned it to me. I like friendly classmates. We can do our homework together. Linda has a lot of friends at school. She's very popular. After college, Lisa wants to work as a volunteer. We really enjoyed our trip to Europe. We saw lots of pretty towns and took some great pictures. India has the largest population of all the world's countries. The Greatest Pyramid is an ancient site. No one knows exactly how the Egyptians built it. I'm going to France tomorrow, so I have to pack my bags and prepare for my trip. We waited in the airport for a long time. There was a problem with the airplane and they had to repair it. In the summer, I work as a tour guide. I lead tourists to interesting places in my hometown. I love to travel and learn about different cultures. It's very enjoyable. Sometimes I don't understand jokes in English. I feel confused about what is funny. Maria has a great sense of humor. She will probably laugh when I tell her the joke. Oh no. I brought the wrong book to English class. This is my Spanish book. Do you think it's funny to make fun of other people? Marisol is afraid to stand in front of an audience. She feels very nervous. Some people don't like to show their feelings. They don't laugh or cry in front of other people. When you give a presentation, it's important to make eye contact with the audience. Close your eyes and imagine that you are at the beach. If you find money in the street, I think you should take it to the police, even if it's just a little bit of money. I don't want to use the whole article, just a section of it. I'll finish my final report this week. It's a 20-page paper, and I have 15 pages so far. Don't forget to share your score in the comments section. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe because more valuable content is on the way. See you in the next videos.